Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is a what we ate this week video. Firstly, apologies for the audio. I've tried recording this 3 or 4 times. This is the best I can do. Monday we experimented with a surf and turf. The salmon is actually from Poundland. Don't bother with it. It was very dry, even though it was a boil in the bag. Do not recommend this in any way, shape or form. But the steak was from Tesco's, but the best thing about this was the sweet potato fries that we just did in the air fryer. This was a yummy dinner. Right then, so on Tuesday, Ruffus had the Weight Watchers pasta meatballs, and he had this along with some peas and sweet corn. He really liked it, said it was yum. I don't do the pasta thing, so I went for the salmon and broccoli bake from Weight Watchers, along with some rice, and again, you can just see there the peas and sweet corn. Very, very nice dinner. Now, this was the Keema Mata that we did on Wednesday. I've actually filmed this. This is an even lower sin, even lower fat recipe than the one that's currently on our channel. I have filmed this. This will be going up this week. This was delicious. Now, you can have this with rice, but we decided to use our rice for a rice pudding. That's right, we did the sin-free rice pudding, did this in the slow cooker, absolutely delicious, and this was with the soy milk from our healthy extra A allowance. Now on Thursday we did a spaghetti bolognese. This was a really speedy bolognese mix with lots of mushrooms, lots of onions in, and then a few like sugar snap peas and a bit of cheese from our healthy extra A allowance as well. And that pasta is actually gluten-free pasta, so we both had the same meal on Thursday. On Friday, we experimented with a pulled pork. Now, this was done in the slow cooker. Somehow messed this up because this came out really dry, so I had to put lots and lots of this gravy on there. Now, the gravy is actually using some of the herb rub from the pulled pork and the Mayflower Southern style gravy, but actually the pork was just too dry really. But we're going to try that one again. Saturday we went for a very basic meal, Slimming World sausages and baked potatoes. Now the ones on the left hand side are actually the plant-based masala roasted cauliflower sausages from Aldi. Very delicious. Recommend them a lot. And we had that with an egg as well. On Sunday we went back for the surf and turf, but this time we went with some gammon steaks and a white fish with some herbs, and then just some broccoli and cauliflower on the side with a jacket potato. Now there's about a sin and a half for the jacket potato overall, but that was actually again very simple but very yummy meal. Anyway, that is it. If you want me to do more of these, please do give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you can, hit that subscribe button. I've got new videos coming up each week, and don't forget, join me on Thursdays 11 AM for a Get Ready With Me weigh-in. Thanks very much. We'll see you soon, and as we always say, happy slimming.